Subaru STARLINK in-vehicle technology is your Subaru connected. More than entertainment, it now includes all new safety and security features. From a STARLINK app that can access your car remotely, to a STARLINK advisor who can promptly send first responders when an airbag goes off,
Do you need me to send assistance?
or if you have a non-collision emergency such as medical distress.
Let's get you help right away.
Thank you.
A STARLINK advisor can even help police locate your vehicle if it's ever stolen.
Hello, yes, I need to report a stolen vehicle.
When you feel this safe and secure, it's easy to enjoy what's around you, including the nearly unlimited entertainment options you'll find with STARLINK. Love. It's what makes a Subaru a Subaru.